This is the CAD yen currently on the daily time frame, and we have two patterns here. We have an advanced pattern, so we have a Gartly pattern, and we have a rising channel. So two potential trades in one here, giving us a higher probability of seeing a reversal. So if I throw a fib on, first of all, from the swing high to swing low, you can see we hit the 61.8 fib, and we throw a fib on from the B point down to the A point. Those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and join the website forexeducation.co.uk. It explains what all these ratios are and the different types of patterns and strategies that are available. X to A to B, B to C, CD, completion right up here at the 127. So we are right at that completion zone right now. I'm also going to throw in this boxed area here, so I'm highlighting just the wicks, and the wicks are really where we look for rotation patterns. Now, targets can be the 382 of this pattern. In actual fact, they are going to be the 382 of that pattern for me. Just let me bring back on my orders. Okay, there we go. I just had to replace my orders because they weren't in the right spot. So we first of all have a Gartly pattern. Second of all, what you should be noticing here is that price action looks to be running out of steam. So you can see relatively directional move, and then we've got an uptrend. So let's drop down one time frame and check out what we have got. And I am actually just going to remove the fib for now. So we have a directional pole, and then if we draw out based on the closes of the candles, I may just need to drop this down a little like that. And then what we're going to do is duplicate it, move it down. In order for this rising channel to be valid, we need a few things. We need a minimum of 4 touches. 1, 2, 3. There was the fourth. I know we've had a couple more tests up there, but we need 2 tests initially either side. And what we've done now is we've come back up into this boxed area just here. And you can see structure is currently being held. If I zoom in a little bit, there's not a great deal here, to be honest with you. But if we drop down one additional time frame and I zoom out, is that boxed area still there? Yes, it is. There we go. Okay, so what we have now is within this zone just here, we actually have a triple top. 1, 2, 3. And with that triple top, we here had a break below, close below. So we broke and closed below this V point, giving us a 2618 opportunity. So there you go. You can see we've now hit the 61.8 fib. All of this is happening around the 8300 psychological number. But what I'm also going to do is put a structure level in, one at the close of the candles and one at the high of the wicks. I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to look left and just make sure that that double top is still valid. And as we zoom in, look at what we've done here, guys. Okay, we've come up to test the closes of the candles. So for me, that's a valid triple top. One other thing that we need is we do need the RSI to be overbought on the first test with divergence. Now, what we have here is on this test and that second test, that's where we had the bearish divergence. Even though it came up for a third test, that doesn't matter. We still had the RSI confirmation and now the 2618 opportunity. So what does that mean? Well, stops technically can go just 1 ATR above this triple test. I've actually given this a little bit more because we have a very, very nice reward to risk here. I don't want the market overshooting by an ATR, stopping me out, because don't forget we've got the Gartly pattern, we've got the rising channel, we've got a triple root test there with a confirmed break below, close below, giving us a valid 2618 opportunity as well. So I'm just going to triple check my stops here. The ATR is 19 I'm actually wanting to be a full ATR above the highs here, so let me just go back in. The highs were here, so 19 above that gets me 40, and I've given it 2 for the spread. Okay, so my stop is in the safest place possible here. I'm just going to go and bring back on my fibs, swing low to swing high. Did not want to do that, and let's go and make sure I've drawn this out correctly. So my fib needs to be there. Okay, I'm front running by 6 pips. It's the CAD yen, that's fine. So that means that we have a risk here of 32 pips. And we're going to have a lovely reward there of 159. What a great reward to risk.